Hey everybody, it's Bo here to talk to you about why you should replace your hoses on your pressure washers on a regular basis. You know, the biggest reason you're going to want to replace your hoses is end user safety. Frankly, that's what it's all about. You should replace them regularly to make sure that the people operating the pressure washers are safe. Now, whenever you start a pressure washer, you should always check your hoses for a few things. You want to inspect them daily to make sure that there are no leaks in the hoses. You want to make sure that, just like you see over here, there's not a leak sprung on the hose. The second thing you want to take a look for is any exposed wire. If the cover of the hose is worn, and that's what you want to look for, you don't want a hose that looks like this. But if the cover of the hose is worn and it's exposed, the inside of the hose, the wire, the braiding, you really need to replace your hose. Again, the reason you're going to do this is for operator safety. You don't want an operator exposed to burning hot water. You don't want an operator exposed to detergents or chemicals. You just want to make sure that the operator's safe. So check your hoses before you use your equipment, and if they are showing any signs of leaks or worn covers, replace them. Remember, this is here for your safety. Until next time, keep it clean.